Okay, in this tutorial I will teach you guys very basic of web development. Okay, we start from scratch, and I will I will take you guys into a different way of uh, into a different way of development, so that you guys can learn it very easily. Okay, and I make it so simple, and I will teach you guys a shortcut way so that you become easily a good programmer. Okay, first thing first, you will need an editor to develop or code your project. So we will be using Visual Studio Code in our project. Okay, and you can open Visual Studio Code once you installed it, and the lessons we will be going through is through this W3 school site. I will go because it has listed out all the topics of HTML. We'll start from the beginning and go chapter by chapter or page by page, and I will explain each and everything so you can also learn it easily. So okay, and once you install the your Visual Studio Code and open your project, I would say go to your, I mean, that's, you can keep it anywhere else, but I would prefer, for example, on Drive C, I have created, you go to your Drive C and create a folder, for example, dev. Okay, and